Very good afternoon, everyone, and thank you all for attending this presentation. I hope it's going to be really worthwhile and useful to all of you. I will be talking with you today about two topics, blockchain as well as IoT, and in particular IoT security. And these both topics are really evolving and really areas that will have tremendous impact, potential, and growth. As you know, Cisco predicts that by the year 2020, we will have more than 50 billion IoT devices. Also, the market value for IoT will exceed in the year 2019 more than 19 trillion US dollars. If you look at blockchain, experts say that blockchain now has the same traits, the same qualities, potential, and characteristics that the internet had back in 1994. So the potential for growth and impact for blockchain is really huge, and we're just seeing the beginning of it. And today I will talk with you about how we can use this technology, blockchain, to solve some of the IoT security problems. In general, blockchain is really transformational technology, disruptive technology, and it's going to change the way we transact, the way we store information, and the way we do business. All right, the outline of my presentation is as follows. I will start first by talking about the growth trajectory for blockchain as well as IoT. And that trajectory is really massive, and I just alluded to that in my introduction. Second, I will talk about the scale of IoT security problems. IoT devices are really incapable of defending themselves, and they are so easy to hack and compromise. Third, I will talk about how different, why is that so? Why they are so easy to hack? What makes IoT security different than endpoint security, like smartphones or tablets or just computers. And fourth, I will speak about IoT architecture and deployment architecture and protocols, because these really matters in the way we provide end-to-end security for IoT devices. The deployment architecture, whether it's edge devices within file computing devices or IoT to gateway or IoT to device does really matter. And the protocols, most of them now are not secure, so we have to worry about providing secure protocols for IoT devices. And the second part of my presentation, I'll be talking about blockchain. We'll start with some foundational aspects, because without that, we'll not be able to understand how blockchain can provide potential solutions to some of the most difficult IoT security problems. Of course, blockchain will have its own issues, its own challenges to be solved, and hopefully over time these challenges will be solved. So I'll touch with you on the on blockchain challenges and risks. And in closing, I'll give you some takeaways and share with you some important insight and tweets that are given by cybersecurity experts on this topic.